Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Tap to Cash in iOS 18. This Apple's new feature that lets you instantly send or receive money just by tapping your iPhone to someone else. So let's get started. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone, and here you'll see your cards, and below them, there's an Apple Cash. If you've never used an Apple Cash before, set up and follow the on-screen instruction to enable it. And once it's set up, tap on the Apple Cash again to open your balance and options. Now tap Send or Request. Here you'll see the Tap to Cash option. You can either send money by text or, with iOS 18, simply tap your phone to another iPhone or Apple Watch. Let's say that you want to send a $10 for your food. Enter the amount and tap Next and confirm your payment using your Face ID or by double pressing the side button. Your phone will now show Ready to Send. Now hold the top of the iPhone near the person's iPhone or Apple Watch. When the devices touch, the payment transfers instantly. You'll even see a little animation showing the money being sent. Once it's completed, the amount will appear in your Apple Cash balance. And from there, you can use it for Apple Pay purchases or transfer it to your bank account anytime. And that's it. That's how you use Tap to Cash in iOS 18. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.